Honestly, Upwork has a big basic filters in the job catalog. Yes, with expanded search and the opportunity to save different filters as separate search requests, you can simplify the search for new projects. But there are many cases such as competitive niches, cross-searching immediately in a few fields, or searching for projects by a few specialists at the same time. In this situation, searching with filter adjustment takes a lot of time or even does not cover the need in general. So in this section, I will tell you how to get information about new projects with RSS and create a genuine working dashboard that allows you to process a huge number of projects. Rich site summary or really simple authentication or RSS is a convenient XML format for serving the information that news sites and blogs provide for readers' notifications about new content on the website. I guess the definition perfectly fits on Upwork, where new projects constantly appear that freelancers should know about. Let's explore how you can set up your own RSS feed and how to work with them after doing so. Upwork allows not only to save a customized filter in the job catalog, but also to get an RSS field in which projects appear relevant to this filter. Let's see how you can switch RSS in your Upwork. To do this, let's come back to Upwork and continue with one of the job search filters we created before. Near that, you can see in wave icon in which is the RSS badge. Click on it and a drop-down menu with RSS and Atom appears. Atom is one more XML format, but this time let's choose RSS. After doing so, on your screen appears a lot of programming code. You might be confused about that. This code is and how it works with it. It's a typical reaction of users who first see RSS. Don't worry. Now I will explain to you how it works. First of all, you need to download a special program known as an RSS Reader. It helps you to work with this code. As this format of showing the information has already existed for more than 25 years, there are a huge number of different RSS readers. It might be Google Chrome plugins, SaaS services, or desktop and mobile applications. In this course, I want to stop on these programs too much, but I want to give some examples of tools that I have tried. It was the InnoReader, the Upfeed.io tools, and the FeedBro plugin. They are good ones, but you can choose any other RSS readers you want to. In this lecture, let's try to work with the FeedBro plugin. For that, visit the Google Chrome menu, click on Extensions and select Chrome Web Store. Once it's ready, in the Search tab, print FeedBro. Click on the appropriate search result. After these manipulations, you will see the detailed description of the plugin and the Add to Chrome button. Click on it in the dialog information window. Press Add extension one more time. Ready. The plugin is installed. To start the work, click on the extensions icon and choose the plugin among them. In the window that appears, select Open Feed Reader. Finally, the program appears. To input our Upwork data, let's come to the Upwork tab and copy its URL. After that, move on to our plugin window again and choose Add a new feed. Enter the copied URL and add the feed title. For example, it might be graphic design. Click Save. Now, if everything is going well with your reader, you will see Upwork projects instead of XML code. In the next lectures, we will work with that in more detail.